Hi, and welcome to Homebound Chefs with Jim and Jeff. In this episode, our favorite chefs teach how to make an easy tomato basil salad and shrimp with a pink vodka sauce. If you enjoy this episode, please remember to like, subscribe, and share. Stay safe.
Hey guys, it's the Jays, and we're back for Husband's Home Cooking. And today we're going to do a bunch of stuff. One of the things we're going to do is show you how to make the tomato, onion, and basil salad that we had the other day that we didn't show you how to make. Then from there, we're going to be making pink vodka sauce over shrimp and linguine. There we go. Doing the onion. You're going to want bigger pieces of onion, not minced fine, so I'll show you the chunks that we're going to cut them into. Peaceful. Now the fun part. Salt and pepper.
Generously season everything you do. It makes it taste better.
Garlic. Couple cloves. Filippo berry olive oil. And now what my mother will cringe about, but we like it in ours, is balsamic vinegar. Olive oil again, bottom of the pan, chopped up onions. This is the beginning of the marinara sauce we're going to start. This is going to be 2 cans of tomato, a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper. Organic basil, and tomatoes that I'm using from here actually come from Walmart, if you can believe it, because I can't find the brand I used to use up north in Massachusetts, in New Hampshire.
Chopped basil. And for later on, the shrimp peeled and deveined, and minced shallot.
And please note on the shrimp, the tails are pulled off. The only time you get tails on shrimp is if you're going to be putting it in a shrimp cocktail, serving it like that. Okay, made the onions transparent. Now we're going to be adding the tomatoes. We want to bring it to a boil, get the acid out.
Bring to a boil. Very simple, classic marinara.
There's no garlic in this. Okay, we're reducing the cream ahead of time, so that's ready. And I'm just gonna do this on a lower heat and let it go for a while. And you can hear the dogs in the background.
And now for the very most important part. You see we have a blender. And Jim is prepping some frozen strawberries.
Frozen strawberries and syrup. And the sauce has come to a boil. No stick. Love the Copper Chef cookware. Nothing ever sticks to it. It's amazing. 2 teaspoons for this size strawberry of powdered sugar. Vodka.
Or rum or whatever you like. We happen to have vodka on hand and it's going with vodka sauce, so.
Smirnoff. Perfect for this. You don't need a high-end vodka only because you're mixing it with everything. Heating up the oil, this is seasoned shrimp without tails with salt and pepper. What we're going to do is saute the shrimp. Listen guys, high heat for this because you're going to be cooking with vodka. Putting in the shallots at the same time as the shrimp because shrimp only takes a few seconds to cook. Get the shallots to cook down. It's always easier to make this for one person instead of making a big batch. We're going to be adding the vodka to it, and it doesn't always fire. Sometimes you have to get it to catch. Move it away from your stove because you don't have enough clearance. You're going to want it to burn off the alcohol. Still burning. Takes a bit. Burn the alcohol flavor out. You want the alcohol out, but you want the flavor from the vodka. And there it goes. See the high heat? And I have to move it away from my hood. Put about a cup of vodka in for this size that we're making. It starts to go down a little, you can add a little heat to it because the heat will react with it and allow it to cook up. Don't do this at home, kidding. Okay, the vodka is almost done cooking out and it won't reignite once it does, and I'll be able to finish up the sauce. Notice that I did all that while the shrimp was still raw in here, because you don't want to get your shrimp too tough, but I like the vodka flavor in the shrimp. Now I'm stirring it around and you no longer see flames because they've gone out. And now what we're going to do is add our reduced cream, which has been reducing for quite a while so I can speed up the process for everybody. And yeah, that's heavy cream, and yeah, this is a low-calorie meal.
Not.
I've switched now, and I'm going to use a spatula. You want to keep this moving? I'm running on high heat again, and if I don't keep it moving, it's going to boil up and over. But notice the shrimp's still a little bit raw, so they're pinking up in the heavy cream now. I used about a half a pint. Half a quart, sorry. What you want to do is reduce this down and get it thick. thick and dense. That's what's going to give you all the flavor. The flavor's in that cream now. And then we're going to be adding the tomato sauce to it. Then we'll add the pasta right into it. Notice that it's bubbling. And notice that what it's doing is getting the moisture and water out of the cream. And it's reducing itself even more from what I already previously reduced it. The reason I previously reduced it is it makes this step a lot faster. For this size batch, this is dinner for two. With the buttery color, it's ready to start adding your marinara. And I made a bigger batch than I needed because I'm going to freeze some for other stuff that we're doing. See how that looks? Although it's a cream sauce, it's supposed to look like marinara. Okay, we're gonna add a little more marinara than that. Notice I still have my heat going, guys. And you're just keeping it moving. Now, see how it's a lighter pink? Hence the pink vodka sauce name. Again, the marinara has no garlic, just basil, salt, pepper, and onion. Okay, here we go. Now you want to simmer this down a little bit more. And see how it is? I think it's a little loose still, so we're going to let it bring itself down. And we'll show you in a minute. Now we're going to sauce the pasta in and get it all heated up. Putting a meal out, guys, one thing I love to do is make sure that everything that's out on the table that's hot is hot. Everything that's cold or served room temperature is served room temperature. Look at how nicely that's covering the pasta. Nice and thick. The shrimp's mixed in. Rigatoni is a good pick for this. And we definitely won't eat all this. So we're gonna have some leftovers. This is the final. It's done. Heats are off. Stove is shut down. And it's time to eat.
So here you have it. We've got the tomato, red onion, and basil salad in a balsamic dressing with the pink vodka sauce with shrimp over rigatoni, brought to you by the Jays, otherwise known as Husband's Home Cooking. We want to wish you all in this trying time of COVID-19, buon appetito.